So you wake up one morning and you do your normal routine, whether it's having coffee, tea, or kombucha, but you like to start off your day by watching some YouTube videos. But then you have this realization, this epiphany, if you will, that you too want to become a YouTuber. And so then you get excited and you start to dream and you start to wonder what kind of YouTube channel that you want to create. Do you want to be a vlogger and share your life with the rest of the world? Do you want to teach something that you're super passionate about and share that with the world? Do you want to talk about comic books and movies on a YouTube channel and go to cool events like Comic-Con and interview celebrities and people in that world? Whatever it may be, you just want to start creating content and build a community because you know that in the deepest part of your heart that you have something good to offer to this world. Yet, you have no idea how to make money on YouTube. Well, I'm gonna show you how. I'm trying to wink. Hold on. Hey guys, Sidney and Diongzon here, and yes, we are gonna talk about how to make money on YouTube, but first I wanted to thank today's sponsor, and that's Skillshare. If you don't know Skillshare, they are an amazing online community where you get to learn things like business, graphic design, photography, and a plethora of other topics and classes that you can actually take and learn from. We're gonna talk about them more in a second, and I actually got a really cool offer for you guys, and I'll mention that towards the end of the video, but for now, we're gonna talk about how to make money on YouTube. Okay, so there are pretty much 4 ways to make money on YouTube. This is nothing new. There are a bunch of resources out there, but I know some videos can be a bit confusing, so I'm gonna try to simplify it as much as I can so that you can start making some moolah on the YouTube. Nobody really talks like that, so that's really embarrassing. Just don't put this in the ad. So the first way to make money on YouTube is through YouTube itself, through the Adsense. And in order for you to make money off the Adsense, you have to become a YouTube partner. Now, I know YouTube has become a bit stricter as far as who gets to make money on their platform. And as far as I'm aware, the requirements are to have at least 1,000 subscribers and to have 4,000 hours watched in the last 12 months. Now, I know those numbers might seem a little bit daunting, maybe even discouraging for some of you, but let me assure you that you don't really make much money at all with less than 1,000 subscribers and less than 4,000 hours watched. I mean, maybe pennies on the dollar, if that. By the way, let me just break the myth that making money off YouTube AdSense will guarantee you tons of cash for making a hit video. That's just not the case. It's not true at all. In fact, making money through YouTube AdSense is probably one of the least ways to make money, especially compared to the other things I'm gonna talk about. So how does YouTube determine how much money to pay its creators? I mean, is it the subscribers? Is it the views? I mean, what is it? It's a little bit of those, yes, but the #1 measurement that YouTube uses to determine how much it pays you, the creator, is through watch time. Watch time? What the heck is watch time? Well, essentially, watch time is the total amount of time that viewers spend watching your videos. And of course, that's measured by minutes. The reason why YouTube uses watch time because it's a really good way to determine how engaged the audience is with your videos. Basically, the more time people spend watching your videos, the more you get to make money because the more ads YouTube gets to put on your videos, therefore making them money, therefore making you money. Get it? Again, there are other factors, but increasing your watch time gives you a better chance at making a little bit more money through YouTube AdSense. All right, #2, affiliate marketing. Basically, what affiliate marketing is earning a commission by promoting another brand's product. So for instance, with me, I am a part of the Amazon affiliate program. And so being this a filmmaking photography channel, I do recommend a lot of camera gear, camera accessories, and other things of that nature. And usually I place those product links in the description below. And if one of you clicks on that product and buys it, I get a commission off that. So let's just say that you're promoting a product that costs, so I don't know, $50. And let's just say that you earn 3% in commissions from that sale. $1.50. Okay, you're right, not much at all. But let's just say that 10 people bought that product. Well, that becomes $15. Now imagine 10 people buying that product for a whole week. Now that turns into $105. You see where I'm going? Now imagine you're promoting a product that costs $200, or a product that costs $2,000, or a product that costs $5,000. If you put all those possible factors into play, you can make a lot of money through Amazon alone. So let's just get real for a second. I mean, when I first started out using the Amazon affiliate program, I would probably make like, I don't know, $5 to $10, maybe $15 a month for like 4 to 5 months straight, which was really cool for me at the time. But now that I've grown my YouTube channel and now that I have a bunch of videos that recommend different products, like I now get to make $2,000 a month through Amazon affiliates alone. I mean, I'm still making money from a video that I did 2 years ago. Those commissions will stick with you for as long as you'll have them. So just take those promotions and add them with the promotions I'm doing now, and you'll see that the money starts to pile up. Also, there are other affiliate programs than just Amazon. I mean, other brands have them as well, but just do your research and see if those products would suit well for your audience. So that's affiliate marketing. The third way to make money as a YouTuber is actually through you by using platforms like Patreon and SuperChat. If you don't know Patreon, Patreon is this membership platform where your fans get to pay you a subscription amount of their choice in exchange for things like behind the scenes footage or early access to a video and things of that nature. Personally, I haven't tried it out myself, but I'm actually looking into it just to really experiment and see what happens, but also to see if it's actually beneficial for me and beneficial for you as well. In the same vein as these pledges on Patreon, YouTube Live has this feature called SuperChat where your fans get to donate a certain amount of money just because they want to gift that money to you for doing a live video. Like Patreon, I haven't tried it out myself, but I've seen some YouTubers make quite a chunk of change through the SuperChat, and so it is definitely a viable source of income, at least from what I've seen. The fourth way to make money on YouTube is through sponsorships and brand deals. Now, there are a different number of ways to get these sponsorships and brand deals. I mean, it's gonna be different for everybody, but from experience, I found 2 ways to be true. Number 1, these brands will contact you. 2, if you hustle hard and hustle smart, you could probably figure out a way to contact these brands directly and let them know who you are and what you can offer them. And I'll give you a hint. Instagram DMs work. Why do I do this with my mouth? So sending a DM to a brand really does work. I mean, it may not work all the time, but at the very least, you can ask to be pointed in the right direction. So that could be the influencer manager at that certain company, or it could be the marketing director or assistant marketing director. Whatever the case may be, you can at least ask to be pointed in the right direction. And finally, the last way to make money as a YouTuber is by selling your own products. Now, that could be a variety of different things, whether it's designing t-shirts and hoodies and mugs and selling that to your fans, or creating Lightroom presets and LUTs, or even selling ebooks. Whatever the case may be, selling your own products as a YouTuber is a great way to make money as a YouTuber. I already said that. And that is how you make money on YouTube. Well, at least for now. There'll probably be other streams of revenue in the future, but as of right now, 2018, that is how you make money on YouTube. And don't just take my word for it. I mean, do your own research. Go on YouTube and search other ways to make money off this incredible platform. You can even use a platform like Skillshare to take classes on how to do YouTube. I know that Sarah Dici has an amazing class on how to YouTube from beginning to end. And speaking of Skillshare, it's this amazing, see what I did there? Segue. But in real honesty, Skillshare is legit. I mean, they have over 17,000 classes that you can take from business to graphic design to photography to even YouTube. Yes, there are classes that you can take for free, or you can opt for the premium membership, which gives you unlimited access to the classes, and all for under $10 a month. That's pretty good. For me, I love taking classes on business and entrepreneurship and productivity, you know, things that complement what I do on YouTube. And if you are interested in checking out Skillshare, then make sure to check out the link in the description below, because the first 500 people to click that link will get 2 months of their premium membership for free. So make sure to check out the link below. All right, well, that's it for me. Hopefully that was helpful to you. I know that was a lot, but hopefully not too overwhelming. If you have any questions about how to grow your YouTube channel, or questions about filmmaking or camera gear, or if you like, you know, content about YouTube, then let me know in the comments below. I would love to help you out. Right, gotta go. I still gotta edit this video, and it's getting very late. In fact, I might have some cereal if I'm gonna have a late night editing session. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, bye.